Hello everyone. Hi. I hope you are all fine. Okay. We have finished 3 sessions of the lesson 3 questions. Here we are going to start our 4th session of 3 questions. Students, we have seen that a certain king had some questions and he want answer of them, and therefore he went to the hermit, and first of all hermit didn't answer him. But now what happened? Suddenly a bearded man came there, and that king helped or dressed up that wounded man, and wounded man told him the story, actually who he was, and later we are here in the 4th session. Now that let's see, at the last of that day, queen asked one again to the hermit that, can you tell me the answers of my questions? And here let's see what hermit answered to the king. Okay, so let's see, we are going to start our 4th session of lesson 3 questions. See this paragraph. You have already been answered, said the hermit, still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king as he stood before him. When last time king asked hermit that, hey hermit, please give me answer of my questions, and at that time hermit answered that you have already been answered, but still bending down to the ground and looking up at the king, he stood before him. Have I been answered? How have I been answered? What do you mean? King said that, how have I been answered, and what do you mean? Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. Here hermit replied that how king have all the answered. He told that if you had not pitied means it is the past tense of pity. If you had not pitied, if you have not showed me worriness or carefulness towards me and my weaknesses, then yesterday and had not dug the beds for me, you would have gone away. You have gone return away from me. Then that man would have attacked you, and you would have wished you had stayed with me. And therefore, if you return to your home, that man would have attacked you, and you would have wished you had stayed with me. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. So hermit replied that the most important time for you was that when you are digging the beds, and I was the most important man. Here that 3 questions, once again we will repeat. The first question of the king was, what is the right time to begin something? And here hermit gave him the answer that, so the most important time when you are digging the bed, so that was your best time to do something. And who was the most important person to listen? And that question's answer was, Hermit said that I was the most important man. And what is that third question? Third question was, what is the most important job to do? What is the most important job to do? And here Hermit replied that to do me good, it means what? To do good with others was your most important business. Means it is the third answer for the third question. And then look at that, what happened afterwards. When the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. Here Hermit replied that again, when that man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him. And because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man. You got your answer of second question. Who is the most important person? So he was the most important man, and what you did for his was most important business. And what you did for him, that how you serve for him, is your most important business. Remember then, Hermit replied, remember then, there is only one time that is important, and that is now. Hermit said that your present is important for you. What you are currently doing is important for you. It is the most important time because it is the only time when we have any power to act. It is because at that time only we have a power to act. And the most necessary person is the person you are with a particular moment. And you himself is the most important person. For no one knows what will happen in the future and whether we will meet anyone else. And therefore you are most important person. The most important business to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. The third question of king was, what is the most important job? And here Hermit answered, the most important business or job is to do that person good, because we were sent into this world for that purpose alone. It means what? Most important thing is simply do good with other person that you are with. That you are with means do good with others, and only that purpose we are sent into this world by the God. Here our lesson ends and our session also ends. I hope you all understand it well. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.